Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Lunatask and Notion. Lunatask and Notion serve different productivity needs but have some overlap. Lunatask is a simple app for managing tasks, tracking habits, and taking notes, all while keeping your data private. It helps you stay organized with mood tracking, time blocking, and smart prioritizations. The app is easy to use and great for personal productivity without feeling too complicated. However, it doesn't have as many customization or teamwork features as some might need. Notion, on the other hand, is a powerful tool that lets you take notes, organize projects, and work with others in one place. You can create anything from simple to-do lists to detailed workspaces with lots of features. It's super flexible, but it can feel confusing at first because there's so much to learn. However, it might be too complex for people who just want a basic task manager. In my opinion, Lunatask is best for personal productivity and tracking, while Notion is superior for collaboration and documentations. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.